Hello, my name is Chad Cromwell, and I'm a student at Athabasca University, and this is my presentation for COMP482, Assignment 3. The interface I chose to design was a point-of-sale system that could be used at a fictional coffee shop called Crema. The purpose of this POS system was to take customer orders and store them digitally, take customer payments by cash, credit, and gift cards, and for future potential, to organize orders into food and drink orders so that they could be viewed by baristas and kitchen staff separately. Also, to keep track of orders for ease of refunds and eliminating the possibility of accidentally misplacing an order. I designed a few different low-fidelity prototypes, primarily by sketching various ideas and taking into account the design principles that I learned in the course material. I spent some time imagining these various designs, thinking them through and trying to figure out what would actually work in real life and what wouldn't. I also compared these low-fidelity prototypes against one another and ended up choosing something that represented a combination of them. Java was the programming language that was used, as well as Swing for the graphical user interface. The two main objects that are used in the program are the order object and the item object. The order object represents an order that uses an array list to store item objects. It keeps track of the total price by iterating through each item in the array list and adding up the totals. It also has variables that represent the order number, the customer's name, and more. The item object represents an item that has variables that represent the item's type, style, size, and price. The item object also has a button object it generates to represent the unique item in the GUI. I chose to keep the interface as minimal as possible to eliminate the user's need for searching through clutter to find their next step. This made the interface easy to learn and quick to navigate. I also wanted to eliminate unnecessary steps because there isn't much time in the world of hospitality for unnecessary steps. The workflow was streamlined by eliminating the need for the user to navigate to the next window. The system assumes the natural workflow of the user and navigates to the most natural screen automatically. All of the buttons are in natural locations. For example, back is always on the left-hand side, and sizes also follow a natural order, from small on the left to large on the right. Options that are unavailable are not presented to the user, so there's no guesswork involved. For example, there's no such thing as an iced medium espresso, so these options are not given to the user. I wanted the interface to provide more than just visual cues, as this makes the experience feel much more solid. When a user clicks a button, it is visually marked, and an audible click takes place. In the final implementation, I want to use haptic feedback as well. During the walkthrough, I'm not sure if the recording software will pick up the click sound for the buttons, so please keep that in mind. This is the main screen, and there are two buttons, the New Order button and the Past Orders button. The Past Orders button is not yet implemented. Let's create a new order. This is the New Orders screen, with the order number up here at the top. There are four buttons: Drinks, Food, Pay, and Cancel Order. Pay is grayed out. We can't click it right now because there's no items to pay for. Cancel Order will cancel the order. If we click No, we'll stay in the order. However, are you sure you want to cancel the order? If we click Yes, it'll take us back to the main screen. Let's go back and create an order. Let's say the customer wants a large iced mocha. So we'll click on Drinks, click on the Mocha button, set the style to iced, and set the size to large. Oh, sorry, a large is too big. Would you like a medium instead? Sure, that's not a problem. Just click Medium and click Add. Now you can see the iced mocha, it's a medium now, and it's $4.50. It's been added to the order. Now let's say the customer wants some food. Click on the Food button. Now they have the option: crema roll, cookie, cheesecake, affogato, or gelato. Let's say the customer wants a cookie. Click on the cookie, and it's added to the order. Now, if the customer is ready to pay, we can click on Pay, which brings us to the Pay screen. We still have our items here, which we can click on and edit. We have the total, $7.34. We have the options to pay, cash, credit, or gift card. Let's say the customer actually really wants that large iced mocha. Just click on it, change it to large, click Update. Now we are back at the order screen, so this is a perfect time to ask the customer if they want to add anything else or change anything. If they say no and they want to pay, go back to Pay, and select the payment option. Let's say the customer wants to pay with cash. Let's click Cash. Let's enter the customer's name. Let's say it's me, Chad. Push OK. Now here's the amount that's due, $7.91. Let's say I pay with exact change. I enter $7.91. Push OK. We're now told that the order has been submitted, and it goes back to the home screen. Let's try another order. Click on Orders. Let's add some food. Let's add a crema roll. Let's add an affogato. Let's add some drinks too. Maybe an espresso. Espressos can only come hot, so hot's the only option. Do you have a small or large? Let's do a small. Let's add it. Let's get one more drink. How about, let's get a latte. We'll have a blended medium latte. Add that. So yeah, we're in order 2 because we've already made an order. Now we have an affogato, a crema roll, an espresso, and a blended latte. We know the espresso is hot, it's a small, and it's $2. You know the latte is blended, it's medium, and it's $4. Now again, we can click cancel order and cancel if we'd like to. There's no point to do that because you've already seen it. Let's click pay, and this time let's pay with cash again. Let's put my name in. So it's $19.21. Let's say I only pay with $15.21. Alright, so I put the cash in. Now we still owe $4. So I still need to enter the amount that's been given to me. Say, oh, you owe me $4. Enter $4, and OK. $4 is enough. The order's been submitted, and now we're back to the home screen. Let's go back into new orders and try to modify our orders. Let's add a cookie. Let's add cheesecake. Let's add a blended medium tea. Sure, sounds good. Let's click pay. So now that we're at the pay screen, let's say the customer changes their mind and they want to modify their order. Instead of having to click back, you can just click on any of the items here that they want to change. Let's say they want to change the cheesecake. Click on the cheesecake. Now we could remove it if we like, or change it to anything else. Let's change that to an affogato. Great, it's been changed. Now we have a cookie, blended tea, and affogato. Let's say they don't want that cookie. Just remove it. And here we are. Our order has a tea and an affogato in it. We can ask if they want anything else, and if they don't, proceed to pay. And this time let's use cash, and let's overpay. Put my name in. So $10 is due. Let's pay $15. It doesn't matter if you add the decimals or not. Okay, total change due is $4.80. And this message window will sit here until the cash is taken out of the register, and you push OK. Now it tells you the order is complete, and it's back to the home screen. Let's show you what a credit or gift card payment will look like. Let's add some food here. Let's add some drinks. Add a hot small tea. Don't know why you'd pick a small because they're all the same price. Let's go with large. See, quick and easy update. You just click the icon and update it. Alright, that's good. Let's pay. And we'll go to credit. Once I click credit, it's just going to have a series of pop-up windows coming up saying it's waiting for the customer to put their card in, which means that the credit terminal is ready and working. And then it'll say it's processing once they've entered their details. And then it'll say the order is complete, and it will go back to the home screen, meaning the order is done. So pay attention when I click this. It's the same thing for credit or gift card. We'll enter the customer's name. They want to pay with credit. Push OK, and just watch these prompts come up on the screen. Waiting for card payment, processing the card payment, payments complete, order submitted, and we're done. Back to the home screen. And one final example we'll show you with the gift card just so you can see it. Let's add some food. Let's add a latte. Add affogato. Oh, 2 affogatos. Don't want that. Let's remove it. Let's have 2 affogatos. There we go. Perfect. Let's make that a medium instead. 2 affogatos is a bit much. Alright, let's pay. This time we're going to use a gift card. If you click back, it'll go back to the order if you want, if you need to add anything else. But let's go back to pay. Let's click on gift card. We'll put in customer's name, and it'll work just like the credit card did. Push OK. Waiting for gift card payment, processing gift card, and payment complete, order submitted. Back to the home screen. And that's it for the walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed.